Today, we are going to start the process of uplighting. I am such a sucker for a house with uplighting. I'm not sure what it is about it, but it just looks so glamorous, and when we bought this house, I knew it was going to be part of the plan. Since this house has such a flat, regal front, it's basically begging to be done. So first things first, we had to decide what size light to buy. It makes sense, but I never really considered that there were different sizes. So we went to Home Depot and we picked out a couple of options. We opted for a 20 watt, a 50 watt, and a 75 watt.
I think we're both hoping that we don't like the 75 watt, so it's very expensive.
On the day we went to go test out the lights, we went to go plug them in with just an extension cord, only to find out it's not quite that simple. So we headed back to Home Depot for a second time to go get more materials.
We had to pick up some landscape wire and a 60 watt digital transformer that turned the high voltage from the outlet into low voltage that the lights could use. I finished it off by securing the wires using the screws that are on the back of the transformer. Then we plugged it in to test it out.
Then we tested out the lights to see which wattage was going to work best for our house.
Which one did you think that we'd like the best?
I thought it was going to be the 20 watt. It seemed like plenty for our house. Maybe the next one up, the middle one. But I don't think this house needs a lot, especially if we do a lot of lights.
I thought it was going to be the 50 watt light.
The middle one?
Yeah.
Why?
I thought that the 50 watt would be bright enough to get the effect that you wanted.
And the winner is the 20 watt. Now, we've already gone back to Home Depot and picked up all of the lights that we need. I think we're going to do 4 of them.
Yep.
So we're good to go and ready to get started.
Let's do it. I started off by installing the transformer and actually mounting it to the wall. A trick when working with brick is to drill into the mortar rather than the brick itself. It's much easier to plug a mortar hole later rather than trying to fix a brick. The mounting kit came with screws, but I opted to use masonry screws, which allowed me to drill a smaller hole. Since the transformer has the mount built into the back of it, all I had to do was drill the screws in and hook the transformer onto them. To finish prepping the transformer, I used wire strippers to pull about an inch of casing off of the landscape wire. The exposed wires got wrapped around the transformer screws on the back, which will send electricity to the lights.
While Kevin got started on the technical work, I started digging our trench. It's recommended that wires be 6 inches below ground to keep them protected. Don't let this video fool you. This took a while and was easily one of the longest parts of this project. I placed the lights where I wanted them and Kevin ran the wire to each one. The only thing left was to attach the lights to the landscape wire and cover up the trenches.
This part is probably the easiest step. All you have to do is clamp the connector clip onto the wire. The clamp sends a needle into the wire, allowing for electricity to flow to the second wire.
That was it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Finally, we finished the install by refilling the trenches and adding mulch to the top just to make everything look complete. And here's the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and it inspires you to light up your own front yard. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and we'll see you all again soon.
Bye.
Bye.